Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Good morning.
Everybody can hear me clearly, right?
Yes.
Okay, so just wait for a few more minutes. Maybe check anybody coming a bit late. We're supposed to have 15 people altogether. Sushanta?
Yes, good morning, Mr. Pera.
Hi there. Open your camera. Everybody, guys, open your camera so that we know each other well. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait a moment.
Sure. So wait for a few more minutes. See two more people.
Sure. Mr. Pera, wait a moment because I want to check the all companies are joining here.
Yeah.
Danika, hello. Danika,
Yeah.
have you joined? Have you joined the meeting? Anil, Rajit, Lanka Rubber. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. You have joined now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Mr. Peram, now we can start.
Hey guys, good. Okay. Good morning. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
So let me introduce myself. My name is Peram. I'm the one who is the organizer of this Middle East Rubber Expo in Sharjah during the 17th to 19th. You can hear my voice clear, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay. The way I want to do this session today, first of all, thank you all for joining. And so please keep yourself, I think it will be have at least 2 hours together. I wanted to, I do request to mute yourself if you're speaking to others. Okay. Mute yourself first. Whenever you want to say something to me or you want to say, convey the message to others, please open your, mic. Yeah. Okay. So that there won't be any disturbance. Yeah. Okay. So my name is Peram once again, and good morning to all. The plan today is first I'll explain to you what is Technobase and what kind of project we are doing. Okay. And, what is the pavilion about and what to be prepared, and any questions you have, I will address it. You can always ask at any time in the middle of the conversation. Yeah. Okay. May I ask Mr. Silva, can you mute yourself? Probably I hear back my voice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. What do you want?
I hear my voice back. It's probably the sound is coming out to me again. So can you mute yourself? Mute.
Yeah. Hold the line. 1 minute.
Mute, sir. You just mute it. Yeah. Everybody mute yourself. Whenever you want to say something, you can open your mic, please. Yeah. And also Rajita, yeah, also, yeah, Rajita, please mute yourself. Everybody, please mute yourself, okay, so that I don't need to hear my voice again to your audio, yeah. So the structure of today is to explain you about the project and how to prepare, how to benefit from this, participation. So let me share the screen to you all. You can always interrupt me at any time if you like to ask any question. Feel free to stop me. Okay. There you go. So everybody see my screen? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, great. So today we are all here to discuss about your participation at in Sharjah, Middle East Rubber and Tyre Expo. It will be at the Sharjah Expo Center in Hall 2. First of all, I'd like to convey sincere thanks to EDB, Sri Lanka, for sponsoring, supporting this project, which we are doing in Sharjah. And the special thanks to Mr. Shushanta, Deputy Director of the EDB, for coordinating and putting all the effort. He is really concerned about all your participation, and we want to make sure everybody benefit, from this participation. So, really, kudos to Mr. Sushanta for his efforts, and he is in regular touch with me. Peram, we really need to make sure that every company who's participating, they should benefit and they should get a business or publicity for their future growth. So special thanks to Shushanta. So before we go into it, I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with the Technobase, but let me give you a quick overview about the Technobase, because whatever the events we organize, it's relevant to the way we do business, the activities we do, because we are not just only exhibition organizer like others. We are a specialist in the rubber industry, and not just only for one country, it's a global rubber industry. So I think it's important that you all should understand about what we do, what kind of services we offer for the industry, because this participation is very much connected to my activities. Okay, so please do understand. If you have any questions, then again, I repeat this point again and again. Please interrupt me whenever you have some point to ask or discuss. Yeah, feel free to do that. First of all, Technobase is established in 19 years ago, in 2005, and it is recognized as International Resource Center for the polymer industries and the process technologies. Among the polymer industries, rubber, latex, tire is one of our major area of work, And of course, we also do on the plastics, we also do on the polyurethane. We do on the non-polymer side, on the energy, environment, membrane filtration, those areas. But our emphasis is always into the rubber is the main segment. When you talk about rubber, means we're talking about the rubber and tire industries, including latex. And since we started, we focus very much on the education, because people should get educated so that they do their work properly, they build their businesses. Along with it, we also have business services. When we do an exhibitions, conferences, we have virtual events, we have road shows, technical business consulting service. We do work a lot on the marketing and the branding of technologies and products related to the rubber industry. So we're very much specialized with the various activities. So when it comes to exhibitions, we are not first time organized. We've been doing this business for many years. So exhibition is one of major activity of Technobase. First, I want to introduce to you all is the major, probably our flagship show is GRTE, which we just finished in March in Bangkok. And the next one we organize in 2027 in Bangkok again, the 7th edition of the GRTE, Global Rubber Latex and Tyre Expo. This is been recognized as the gateway to global markets and a knowledge hub for rubber and tire industries. So it's a pretty unique, which has both trade exhibition, and also various educational activities aimed for the rubber and tire industry. This should not be missed. If you're in the rubber and tire industry, a place to come. We do it in alternate years. Right? Second one we started is in Middle East focused. It was third edition. I would not say the same size of the GRT, but it's a growing area, the Middle East Rubber and Tyre Expo. And that's main objective is to create a meeting point in the Middle East region, and also creating a knowledge rubber technology platform for these professionals involved with. And I want to tell you, this is the area, it's a fast growing market. Okay, two areas. One is the Africa, and the second is the Middle East. And this is what you all should, why we organize, because we see the potential in the long term, not only short term, but as a long term, that a growing market. And because it's in the past, it's more focused on oil. It's not anymore. It's there into the manufacturing as well. And there, the country economically developed. It's no more conservative countries. They're pretty much open markets, almost all the Middle Eastern countries. Okay, there are some limitations in countries, but this is a region that you should look into in the long-term basis, explore the markets, and for your products, particularly with the rubber industry, rubber and tire industry. At our exhibitions, we do in Bangkok, we do also have a research fair, because we focus it pretty much on innovation promotion. Without innovating a product, you can't survive in the market. So we have an opportunity in Bangkok show. We promote a lot on the research. So we have a rubber research fair, and we just finished in Bangkok in March. So at that time, we promoted close to 70 research innovations from different parts of the world, for the industry. Conference, that is one of the key segments of Technobase activities. The first one I'm going to introduce to you, and we organize pretty focused conferences. The one we are doing next month in India, Synthetic Rubber Conference. It's on focus on the synthetic rubber technology, processing, and also the applications and opportunities. So it's very much focused on the synthetic rubber. Of course, it's more towards the non-tire industry, into sales or various synthetic, silicone rubber, various aspects of it. Right? And we have a Technobase Rubber Week. I think some of you may know, familiar about it. We organize in Sri Lanka as well. This year we organize in two places. One in September in Bogor, Indonesia, focus on Indonesian rubber and tire industry. And the second one we organize Colombo, Sri Lanka in October again in 28th to 31st. With the focus on the rubber and latex and tire industry. So details will be announced. But this is basically a conference, training, and also the CEO forum, discussion with the top managements as well. So it's an event that every rubber and tire industry professional should participate, and we are scheduled to do it in Sri Lanka as well this year. We have a latex week in Chennai, in India. This is focused on the latex based, because the way you run the business latex, and the rubber Tyre is different because of target audience, target customers, so the processors pretty different. So we have exclusive event on the latex week, so 23rd, 26th September in Chennai. We have an exclusive conference on the rubber silica in Chennai in India. And the focus on silica is one of the silica application industry is growing a lot due to the environmental regulations, green application, you name it. So this very focused conference we're organizing to understand about silica mixing, reinforcement, and various aspects about the formulation development if you use the silica. And we have the other conference on the power transmission belt conference, which we're organizing in October, and immediately focus on the transmission V-belts. That is one of the specific area of the rubber industry. So as you see, we focus specific regions or specific industry segments. We have Asian Tyre Tech Conference we do in Bangalore, India next year. So these are the conferences we organize in upcoming conferences with focus on the rubber, latex, and tire industry. So we have education programs. I think some of you maybe somebody join. Okay. So the education is one of our strengths. Technologies programs are pretty much popular with many companies. They basically use for training, educating the engineers, managers. So we have two types of programs. One is a short training courses. We have online programs, both live and as well on demand. We also have in-person programs. We do have diploma programs for the people in the industry. This is a pretty unique diploma program we have. It's not conflict with any other institutes ever offering. It's a unique diploma program. So we have called the Technobiz Executive Diploma 360 degrees. It covers both the technical and non-technical aspect of the industry. Right? That is uniqueness. It's definitely it is not conflicting with any of other programs offered by the other institutes. I don't want to name it, but you have many programs available around the world. But this program is pretty unique and a very customized program. Currently, we are offering two types of diploma program. One is on the rubber compound technology and management. Other one is the rubber industry. Actually, there's two: rubber industry technology and management, and second one is the rubber compound technology management. There's a typing error here. One focus on a non-tar industry, second focus on a compound. Okay, this program is unique and universal. And let me. Unique and universal can start any day at their preferred time. We focus on participant and customer. It's a customized program for each participant, okay? And also customized for the company who's sponsoring the participant. So it's a very unique program. If anybody interested, I can give you more details later. Awards, this is one thing we recently started. Actually, last year we started, and the first actually started in Sri Lanka only. We have started this Rubber World Hall of Fame, honoring the eminent persons who are in the inspiration to next generation in the world of rubber. This is a project by Technobiz, but we have many partners. Rubber World Magazine, there is a Holdwell Components, and there are many other organizations also want to be part of this project to honor the eminent people. During the conferences or during rubber weeks, we honor these people who contributed to the development of the country and also the industry. So they can be industry people, they can be research people as well. So we have a magazine. Actually, we used to publish a magazine called Rubber and Tire Digest. We stopped it before the COVID. Actually, during the COVID, I would say, and we start again. We call a Rubber Review. This is a weekly e-magazine. Okay, a weekly e-magazine for the global rubber industries. Jointly published by the Technobiz and Rubber World. So the exhibitor would benefit from this magazine because we also offer you the advertising opportunity in this one. So this is like, each issue we have a cover stories. We interview the business people or researcher or any of the popular or recognized rubber industry professionals. There will be interview sessions as well. We have publications. We have lots of rubber books for the rubber industry. Some of the books we have is compression molding rubber. We have many books. Probably we are the only one who publish books for the rubber industry with the focus on the industry objective, but we are not focused on the academic point of view, more on the industry use. So these books are available. There are 50 plus books available. If you're interested, you can check our website, store.technobiz.org. We have virtual events. Probably maybe some of you know familiar with this one. We have a Technobiz Rubber Tech Talk. We invite the people um, to share their experience or new things in technical or non-technical market developments, you know, to this program. I think close to 4,000 plus subscribers to this program follow this program. We have a library. We have a rubber industry library, which is it's a member access only. There are hundreds of presentations available for the members to access on the latest developments, some of the training programs. So anybody interested, you can check this QR code or this link to join. It's a fee-based, yeah. Okay. We do marketing and branding service. We have a program called R Plus, digital marketing for the rubber industry. So we have a social media networks as a Technobiz Rubber Network and on the Rubber Technologies Network, on the Facebook, on the LinkedIn, on Instagram. So we do offer marketing, digital marketing for the rubber industry. Okay. We offer the consulting service, you know, factory audits, you know, various, you know, both focus on the technical and non-technical aspects of the rubber industry. So that's the, you know, briefly about Technobiz. To give you an idea who we are, what we do, we understand rubber industry. I think pretty much well. I would say pretty well because I have traveled many places, many countries. You can always check our website, technobiz.org. Just give you some idea who am I. Okay, I have started this company 19 years ago, but totally I have 25 plus years experience in the rubber industry. Maybe 2 years I have experience in the cement plant as well. I have a chemical engineering background and also master's in environmental engineering background. And I have hosted close to 14 or 15 countries events. So I'm pretty much familiar with the industry requirements from in both Asia, Europe, Africa, including US as well. We organized many events in the last 19 years. So well versed with understand them well, the needs, both the technical and the business needs of the rubber and tire industries. So I welcome you all and join the journey of Technobiz. So as you're participating, you know, Middle East Rubber and Tire Expo, I call them. It's not just a participation; it's basically you are joining the journey of the Technobiz. We work together and make sure that you know you benefit in terms of business and also the both in short term and long term as well. Okay? So that's about Technobiz. So anybody has any questions about Technobiz? Anything to ask? You understand everybody? I guess everybody understand what is Technobiz all about. Any questions on the Technobiz before I move to the next one? Yeah. Can I?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I move to the next one. Now we are all here for talking about the Middle East Rubber and Tire Expo. You are participating. EDB is supporting you for your participation. Now you need to have to think about what's all about. So first, understand the project first. Middle East, there are 15 to 20 countries. If you know, even they're not part of the Middle East region, but it's all connected regions. You know, so why we choose Middle East as Sharjah, because it's near to Dubai, easy to travel to, and economically and viable. And Sharjah is industrial state of the United Arab Emirates. Okay? What countries do we focus? We are targeting the visitors or inviting the industry people from these countries mainly, but we also invite all over the world. It's not just limited to these people only, but UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Jordan, Iran, Oman, Turkey, Israel, Egypt, Bahrain, Kuwait, Iraq, Morocco, Tunisia, Pakistan, Lebanon, Yemen, Sudan. And I'm also expecting, other Asian countries, European countries also join. Everybody interested in this market, so they may visit. So these are the, we are focused for this Middle East Rubber and Tyre Expo. I'm hoping that we work together to bring the right people to the event and make best use of it. So, who is the exhibitor profile? I think all of you know, we have both technology and products. Whether it's a tire, rubber products, all can exhibit in this one. We are building similar format like a GRTE, but you try to create a whole supply chain, whole ecosystem of the rubber and the tire industry. Right? This is just a pictures of the past events. So, what are the benefits? You may book the booth. Yeah, okay. Booth is you got 3x3. Everybody has a 3x3 booth, but it's not just a booth. But you have to engage with us to benefit. What we are offering additional benefits for the exhibitors is we offer a presentation slot in the conference program. I tell you why you have to make a presentation. Some people say, yeah, Param, I have nothing to talk about much. Oh, I maybe use it next time. These are silly reasons, okay? Because I have worked with thousands of exhibitors over the years. Making a presentation in the conference program is an opportunity. You stand in front of the crowd and you benefit from it because people see you, your company see you, and your company name and the person name. And if you are focused on specific subject, this person is specialized in this industry. So utilize the presentation slot, not just my show, any show you participate, look for giving a talk. I think, you don't need to say, oh, I'm not good in a presentation. I think it's a piece of cake. Once you start a little bit, you do one time, second time. So I do encourage all the Sri Lankan Rubber, Pavilion members, make a presentation. What you want to talk about? You can talk about the technology side. You can also talk about the business point of side. You can talk about your product line as well. So it's up to you because you can utilize this program, so that people come and see you at a specific point and you're speaking to the crowd at one time. Second is, we have this rubber review magazine. In this magazine, we organize, we release once a week, starting 6th May. Okay, once a week, start 6th May. So all exhibitors can place advertisement in this rubber review magazine. It's a e-magazine, so we can include as many advertisements. I do request all of you to send your advertisement, and we give you the 8 months, the 2 months, 8 insertions. It means that 2 months you can place advertisement. This is one way of the advertising. And we also offer you the digital marketing program called Rubber Plus. As you know, we have this techno-based rubber network. So I do request all of you listen to me because this is what we offer. Guys, I do request you to listen to me, okay? Because if you want to benefit from this show, you need to understand what value we offer to you all. Okay, so please listen to me. Keep the conversation for next 1.5 hour. Focus on this one because your government is investing on your company so that you grow. Okay, so what we offer as an organizer, I do request you to understand clearly. So we have this 2-month digital marketing program called Rubber Plus. So you could utilize this program to promote pre-event. Okay, and also if you have a product videos of your company, everybody should be able to make company videos nowadays. It's the past that we don't have a company video. Everybody should have a company video. If you don't have it, work on the company video. And because that's where you can reach out to your target clients in the short way and is much more clear way as well. So if you have a product videos, you can send me those product videos. We can upload into the digital library. And we have this virtual event, as I told you, the techno-based rubber tech talk. And in this rubber tech talk, you can make a presentations. You can have a business conversations. You can have it's a multiple way you can benefit on this rubber tech talk. We do have an interview opportunity. We have one-to-one. I will show you how to do that one as well. Everybody should make this program, should participate in this program called Technobiz Business Talk. In this program, we invite the top management. It can be president or vice president or managing director, whoever is a top key person. Talk about their business opportunities, vision. Okay, what kind of markets you're offering, supporting, and also what are the future plans. So you give a clear picture about the your business. And also in our magazine, as you know, we also have the cover story for you. Okay, so these, as an exhibitor, you have these benefits. If you don't use it, that's your missed opportunity. But if you use it, it will build your business. It will help you to grow. Not only participate at the booth, you meet a customer, that is okay, but also through this additional services, you could really benefit. So I'm hoping that all of you understand this one. And if you have any questions here, I stop here. Please let me know if you understand this benefits. Sir, anybody has a questions here on this additional benefits for exhibitors other than the booth?
Hello, Karan.
Yeah.
Full page advertisement. What is the advert size we need to send?
A4 size. A4 size. I will inform that one later. Yeah, that's this specification. Yeah. A4 size.
And also for the presentation opportunities, do all of us get that opportunity, or do we have to apply for it?
Yeah, we will try to accommodate all of them. First come, first serve. Okay. And actually there is a program. I'm having a session called Sri Lanka Rubber Symposium, okay, at the exhibition. And in the Sri Lanka Rubber Symposium, that everybody gets 10 minutes or 5 minutes, they can talk about promoting Sri Lanka rubber. Okay, so that we invite the people to go and listen to all the presentations for the 2 hours on the second day of the. I will explain that one later on. This is there. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Anybody else? I can tell me honestly with you guys, many exhibitors, they don't understand the benefits there. Okay, they only concern about the booth size, booth decoration. That is only 10% of your participation. But engage with organizer, promote your business better. And we have this services. I do encourage every one of you to utilize it. If you don't utilize it, and you can blame me later, Peram, this is not, that is not, that is your missed opportunity. I'm a pretty blunt person in terms of where the exhibitor make mistakes. Okay, we need your help, we need your engagement with us so that we can help you more. So these are the things that we offer for all the exhibitors, not only Sri Lankan Rubber Pavilion, but also other exhibitors from other parts of the world who are joining the show. Okay, so yeah, now go to this Expo Center.
Peram, I have one more question.
Sure.
Regarding the 2-month digital marketing program, what kind of a service you will be providing under this? What kind of material do we have to submit to you?
I think I sent you, right, one list of the prepared things like a logo, that comes in the next one. Okay. What are the files to be prepared? Yeah. Okay. I have a list in my presentation. I will update you on that. How to utilize this digital marketing program. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now we go to the exhibition. Where is exhibition happens? Sharjah. Sharjah, as I mentioned to you, why not Dubai? Dubai is definitely a nice place to organize, but Sharjah is very close to Dubai. Hardly 20 minutes if you fly to Dubai airport. If you are there, Sharjah airport is also there. I think we all, we are cricket fans. We know importance of the Sharjah. It's more to do with the economics of the organizing event, and also the Sharjah is industrial city. That is one of the main reasons, and it's not that far from the Dubai. A lot of people work in Dubai, but live in the Sharjah because just 20 minutes drive. I do, whoever wants to, who are joining this exhibition, I do encourage you stay in Dubai, but come to Sharjah because it's just 20 minutes, okay, drive. But there are plenty of hotels in Sharjah as well, right? But you can see more lively things in the evening in Dubai. Okay, but that's the reason is that we choose like Sharjah because of industrial city, and it's not far from the Dubai, and everybody can stay in Dubai and come to there. And also traffic is not a problem because when you travel from Dubai to Sharjah in the morning, opposite direction is the traffic because everybody move from the Sharjah to Dubai, not Dubai to Sharjah. Okay. Second is that in the evening as well, people drive back from Dubai to Sharjah, but you drive from back to Sharjah to Dubai. So traffic is not an issue, but you have plenty of choices in Sharjah. A lot of great food and things. Of course, there is a limitation on the alcohol. Okay, they don't allow alcohol sell in Sharjah. It's a Muslim rule. The state rule is that. But in Dubai, you have an opportunity in social evenings easy way. Okay, so that's what it is about the exhibition center. It's a well-established exhibition center, with all the facilities that we need. Okay. Again, Sharjah, just mentioned about why Sharjah. I just repeat myself that it is a convenient city, industrial city, and economically viable for the technobase. Okay. Now, talk about Sri Lanka Rubber Pavilion. Okay. Sri Lanka Rubber Pavilion, again, thanks to EDB and Mr. Shanta making this happen to be part of our Middle East Rubber and Tyre Expo. As I understand that these are the companies, the confirmed to join, in this pavilion. I would like to now. Here is the point that I do request you all to introduce yourself. Okay, open your camera one by one. What I need to know is what is your name, your designation, company name, company products, company current export market. How do you market yourself? Current market mechanism to build your business, and why you want to participate in Sharjah. And do you have a digital marketing team? Because there's all this connected with my services to you all, okay, for your participation. So I will call the company name so that one of the representative can introduce yourself and open the camera and talk about it. May I request the first company, Autoways Private Limited, is here, right? Autoways.
Hello.
Hi, good morning. I'm Danika Senaratna.
Can you open your camera, sir?
Okay.
Yes. Hi. Hi. Then.
Hi. I'm from Autoways, and I'm holding the position of director, and we are into tire retrading business. Currently, we are manufacturing the tire retrading belts and flaps as well.
And are you exporting to?
No, we are currently only in the local market.
The local market. So there is no experience on the overseas. Yeah. Okay. And do you have the digital marketing team?
Yeah, we have.
Okay. And
we only started a few months ago.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
And what is your expectations about participations at Sharjah?
We actually we want to gain the experience of the exhibition, international exhibition, and we are currently hoping for a export business.
Okay.
Yeah. Mainly to take the experience. That's it.
Okay. So you keep your expectations low, but more of getting a kind of experience, how it looks, how it is going to be, what are the potential customers, how to approach them, things like that. Yeah. And you have what is current? How do you market yourself now?
You mean in the exhibition?
No. Your market. Do you have a marketing program in your company to promote your business? How do
Yeah,
you?
only in the local market. Yeah,
Mhm.
by advertising in the local shops,
Mhm.
and we have some flyers as well.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's it.
that's it. Yeah,
And you have company videos.
we have a company video. Yeah,
Okay, so you have a team that who can make a TikTok videos as well.
yeah.
Okay.
That's why I said we few months ago we uh, came to the digital marketing platform.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
important. It is very,
Yeah.
very important now. That's why I asked question. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah, let's catch
All
up.
right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nika. Yeah. Thanks a lot, Nika. Okay. Now I request 3K Holding.
Yeah, I'm SDK Silva,
Is that right?
Joint Managing Director with my partner Savindra Samaratna. Is on the other side. We are mainly into our pre-Q pre-trading business. Total, we have 7 plants in the island.
Mhm.
Out of 7, the 5 are pre-Q pre-trading. 1 is trade manufacturing, tire trade manufacturing. The other is flaps and agricultural tire manufacturing. So actually, we have about 20 reps, the sales reps representative going island wide, small country, island wide. Even we have business in Jaffna also. Okay, so all these mainly we also have some trading business where we import tires from China and sell, and our main business is tire retrading. So the second business is flaps sales. Our tire flaps have gone right around Sri Lanka, and now our main idea is to find buyers because we have our capacity. Lately we have improved our capacity also by space as well as machinery.
Okay.
So main thing is to export, to find the export market for tire retrading and flaps.
Yes.
So we prefer the Middle East market first. We have to try South Africa also, African side also. So we hope to find some buyers in this Middle East areas.
Okay. And how do you current market marketing methods that you use?
We have our brand is 3K.
Okay.
3K. So we have our advertising in the papers. We have our Facebook and
so you're active on the digital social media, yeah?
Social media. We have our website.
Okay.
So everything is there.
Yeah.
So actually,
you have a special team for your digital marketing team as well there.
Actually, we do it by Facebook. Actually, we are actually both of us are more than 45 years experience in the tire trade. So earlier at Richard Pieces. So so now we actually my 50th year of rubber.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
And my partners for about 45 years.
So you guys are reaching 70s, 70 years.
Just 72, 73.
Oh, man. Okay. So much energy. Yeah. Super. we young people should look up to you to how to keep yourself acidic mode.
Yeah, definitely. Any help you can give.
Sure. Okay, we talk again, sir. Thank you very much for
Okay, Mr. Peram. Thank you very much for talking.
May I ask the Lanka rubber merchant? Hi, Melinda.
Hi, good morning to all of you. I'm Malinda Halpidia, and I'm the manager of sales and marketing of Lanka Rubber Merchant. Currently, we are manufacturing technical specified rubber. That means it is basically used for tire and other rubber-based products. And also, we are manufacturing zinc oxide. We are the sole manufacturer in Sri Lanka for zinc oxide, 99.5 and 99.8. As well as we have a crepe rubber factory that also rubber manufacturing that we are using for that. Also, we are manufacturing kettle flooring as well as jar sealing, wiper blades, caster wheels, also flaps and retailing. So this is the market that we have.
So you
Both,
have both raw materials and
yeah,
also
raw materials and
products,
finished good. Yeah,
finished products. Yeah, super. And now what is the market looks like for you? You have the export market,
we are indirect exporters.
indirect exporters.
Yeah,
Okay, so through the traders. Yeah.
yeah. Customers are getting orders from us, and we are supplying to them. That still we are not directly exporting, so we are planning to have direct export through your
Understood.
technologies. Yeah.
Good. And you have the market. What is how do you market yourself now? What business?
Currently, we are using both strategies because we are reaching companies, so we have to visit and physically as well as for our raw materials. For our finished good, we are using digital marketing as well.
Yeah. So you are both. You are well versed with both.
Yeah, yeah,
You had to go together. Physical meets like exhibitions at the same time. Also digital.
yeah.
Without both, you had to integrate both. Then only that it will be successful. Yeah. Right? So and you have your own digital team, marketing team.
Yeah.
Super. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Melinda. We'll talk again then. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
May I ask the Samsung compounds? I'm very much familiar with Samsung.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Dilna Atadalu from Samsung Compounds. I'm working as a officer international marketing. Currently, we are producing rubber continuous sheetings products and molded items, PVC and EVA items. We exported some products to UK, Canada, and Australian markets. But currently, we do not have any customers from UAE regions. That's why we are participating to search some customers from that regions. Yeah, that's.
And you have how is your marketing team like? Looks like you have digital marketing.
Currently, we do not have digital marketing team, but a few months ago we have started Facebook campaign and few LinkedIn campaign.
How is it working? Good.
They have some progress. We have few orders from that, especially on local market. We try to focus on foreign markets also.
It takes some time to build image, and it's not that you start 1 month and you get results immediately, but it takes some time. To I think the branding is very important in the international market. So yeah. Okay, great. Okay, we talk again, man. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Okay.
Text strip, please. Hi there, Indira.
Yes, good morning.
Hi.
And thank you very much for the given opportunity and as well as to you and the DDP. So I am Indira Senaratna and I'm from Exhibitor Private Limited and I'm working as the Deputy Operating Officer. So our product is actually progressive resistant bands which are used for resistance rehabilitation and for strength training. These are made with natural latex as well as some products are made with rubber as well. Presently, our market is USA and Europe we are exporting and also to India and Singapore. So what we plan, what our business module getting up and we are doing business through them. And for some customers, we are directly supplying as well. And presently, that is the business model we are working on. And that purpose of visiting this exhibition actually is partnerships with the potential customers. That is basically the requirement.
And how is how do you marketing nowadays? You have the digital marketing team. Do you hear me? Your signal is a bit poor, I guess. Yeah. Okay, we talk again. Indira, we talk again. Huh? Thank you. I may request BGN, Industrial Tyres.
Hello, Garam.
Hi.
On the export market, local market, for the export market as well, when there's a requirement, actually, like when we are it's going to this campaign, so we are doing Facebook campaigns focusing to that market. That kind of arrangement we are doing.
Yeah, it's also important country-focused marketing. Yeah, good. Thanks, Indira. We talk again. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
BGN.
Hello, Mr. Garam. I'm Kushan Vikramasinghe. I'm working as a manager export marketing for BGN Industrial Tyres. Our products are we manufacture industrial solid tires for forklifts as well as rubber mats. Currently, we are very strong in Middle East region and also in Asia, and we also export to European countries. Currently, our marketing mechanism is it's mainly through email marketing, our website, and the LinkedIn platform. The main purpose of participating in the exhibition, you are focusing on more than 16 Middle East countries, and out of those 16, currently we are only providing tires to around 3 countries. So we want to expand our market share, meet new customers, have that international exposure, and to expand our market share in the Middle East countries. That's our main purpose of participating in the exhibition. We do not have such digital marketing team, a dedicated team, but we do digital marketing on LinkedIn platform as well as to our website. And we are currently hoping to expand our digital presence in future.
Okay, super. You already have a market, so you already know what's going on in the Middle East now, yeah?
Yes.
So from 3 to 16, you're remaining 13 plus countries you need to explore the market as well, right? Yeah.
Correct.
Thanks a lot, man. We talk again. Thank you. Okay. May I ask Robin's Industrial Tyres?
Good morning, Mr. Peram and the rest of the team. So I represent Robbins Industrial Tyres. I'm the director in marketing and sales for the international marketing and sales.
Excuse me, are you able to open the camera, sir?
The signals must be weak. I have opened the camera.
Okay.
You can hear me clearly.
I can hear you. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So I'm in a remote location, so this must be the reason. So the signals are not in a such good status. So I joined the company very recently as a director international marketing and sales. So this company was a US-based company which were producing under their own solid tires for the USA market. And it's close to 2 decades. So now recently they took a decision to enter into other markets as well. So that's how I joined this company. In nutshell, we are new to when it's come to the marketing wise, we are new to the whole system. So we have restarted everything. So this is one of the key steps we are putting forward. Because other than USA market, now we are entering into other market as well. So we are starting everything from scratch. So for any market other than the USA is for potential loss, and on top of that, this import tariff to Sri Lanka 44%, makes things worse for the companies which were totally depend on the USA market. So that's why we are so much focused on entering into other markets, especially for the Middle East market, as well as we know African sector is now mainly the West African and the Central the Middle African countries are now, there are some booming countries. So UAE sometimes had the consider as the trading hub for most of these countries as well. So we think there's very potential overall the UAE and the Middle East market. So that's why we decided to participate for this exhibition. We don't have anything as well, digital marketing. We have to start everything from the beginning. So that's our status at the event. That's why I was asking from the Mr. Sushant from EDB also. So what kind of exhibition, how potential it is? Are we expecting a good number of participants? Are we getting, because now if you compare with we were used to go to exhibition for last 25 years, but the culture has been changed a lot, because those days we used to have very few exhibitions. But now you get a lot of exhibitions, but because of then the depth and of the exhibitions, the expected objectives are not that strong. So we hope this the exhibition we might find a lot of potential buyers, or at least a good leads, we call as in the marketing words. To develop our, the portfolio.
Well, thanks, Mr. Ranil. I appreciate your comments, and I think you are really neat now that because US issues made you definitely focus on other markets. Yeah, that's very important for you. Yeah, and because of the uncertainty, what is going to happen, nobody knows, and which country is going to suffer. It's still a vague situation we're all in. Huh? Yeah? So,
correct.
And I do agree with your point of the so many exhibitions, quality, and I can put you one word to it. If you are participating in any exhibition with engaging with the organizer, okay, the only organizer not going to do the justice for you. It's all work hand in hand, work together, and then any participant, any exhibition works out. So it's all about effort from your end as well, at the same time organizer end as well. Okay, so this is a process. That's why we're all here today, meeting in advance only. Understand you, see how can we help, how can we engage together to explore new opportunities for your company. Yeah. Appreciate. Thank you, Mr. Ranil.
Welcome so much, giving the opportunity, Mr. Ram. Mr. Ram, just one few questions. I don't know whether this is applicable for this forum. Now, if we need to send a cargo exhibit item, we do solid tires. So which are a bit heavy items, so we cannot hand carry, because one tire minimum weight will be 30 kilograms, exceeds the baggage allowance. So like with other exhibition, do you have a procedure, the logistic partner, deadlines?
Yes, we have
sea freight and air freight. So these kind of things, and how you need to prepare the shipping documents, to whom we need to consign, address. I think the technical details we require also.
Yeah, I will be updating on this one. We have a logistics partner to deal with it. Okay, and once this, probably next week we'll give you the whom to contact, how can you ship your products to the exhibition. So the guidelines will be given next week. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Of course, every exhibition should have a contractor to build a booth and a person to take care of the shipment issues as well. Yeah. So we have. Yeah. I'll update you on it. So
okay.
Thank you. DTH Super DAG.
Hello.
Hi,
good morning all. Yes, actually my company name is GTH Tires. We are manufacturing now brand new tires. At the moment we are doing exports more than 10 countries, and I am the director of the company. My father is started our business. So actually We are planning to search new customers through this exhibition. That's our main goal, especially this region, this Dubai and this UAE region. It will be good business in the future. It's one of main hub in the world now. So that's our main purpose, to search good customers to our company.
And how do you, what kind of marketing programs you have? How do you market your company?
Market, yes. Actually, we have we create our own videos, we have catalogs, and we have good websites and everything. So normally we are visiting customers at the moment. So we visit customers and we are getting orders and visiting, continuously visited some exhibitions also. And also EDB given full support to grow business. So yeah, like that.
Yeah, super. Okay. Thanks, Rajit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sayatra? Anybody from the correct way? Sayatra, is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely. Hi, question.
Hi. My name is Kasun Kanrazana. I'm the assistant general manager for export sales for the company, and actually, we do manufacturing both extruded and more.
We lost the signal, or voice is gone. Kasun, maybe you stop camera and maybe you just audio only. Okay, we come back to Kasun later. Okay, sorry, Kasun, I need to move on. Clinko rubber moldings, please.
Hi, Peram. Hi to everyone. So my name is Merle, and I'm from Clinko Rubber. We manufacture multiple rubber items for the non-tire sector. So we do rubber ramps, sink plungers, rubber floorings, brushes, booms, stuff like that. So we have quite a product portfolio for our company. Export-wise, we are currently more focused to the European region. So one of the reasons why we are trying to get into why we are participating in this exhibition is trying to explore the Middle Eastern market and hopefully get several good leads and maybe potentially a good buyer as well. Marketing-wise, we are present online, but we are not very active. So we don't have a dedicated team for that. So we're not very active, and hopefully in the future we might have a separate team handling all the digital aspects of the company.
Okay. Good. Merrill, right? Merrill, yeah?
Yeah, Merle.
Yeah, Merle, yeah. Okay, Merle. First of all, I see your expectations. It's so I understand it. Okay, let's work on it. So through working together on this one, how can we explore the opportunities in the Middle East? And it's important to have a digital team. So you should work on that. Find having dedicated people, because that's the way to forward. Okay.
Yeah.
And too much competition around the world.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. Well, let's talk again, man. Thanks.
Yes, definitely.
Lanka International. Is Lanka, right? Lanka International.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, my name is Shilpa Suchinaika, and I'm from the Lanka International. I'm the director of the company. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, and I would like to thank, first of all, to EDB for selecting our company to participate in this exhibition. And At the moment, actually, we are doing retrading. We are in the retrading trade, retrading of tires and manufacturing of carpet, honeycomb carpets. Actually, our main goal is to participate in this exhibition is to capture the international market, Middle East market. Currently, we are not doing any imports. So we have recently started approaching the international market. So to reach the international market, recently we have built a well-equipped rubber testing laboratory to maintain our products quality. So I think that's a very important fact to reach the international market. And in the digital market, at the moment we have a Facebook page and one website. And we have recently employed a sales rep to expand our sales. And other than that, we have our vehicle brochures display. And every year, like printing calendars, diaries, and that sort of things at the moment. But we are planning to expand that as well.
So you follow the traditional as well as digital size as well, yeah? So
yeah.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Shilpa, we talk again. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Is Unicorn there? Srishanta? Unicorn Tyre, yeah.
Unicorn not here at the moment.
Not yet. Okay, fine.
Yeah, we can give a chance to the Mr. Peram to the Sietra.
Yeah, it's Kasun. Yeah, back. Kasun.
Hello. Kasun, join. Hello.
Yeah.
Are you joining with us?
Okay, yes, he's waiting. Okay, yeah, he gone out, I guess. Yeah, okay. He's joining now. Well, I now just by the time this person comes back, it's interesting to know about all the products. Of course, some of them are diversified. Each one has your expectations. Now, as an organizer, it's a challenge at the same time interesting to how we can support to support your businesses. But again, I want to repeat again that we need to work together. Okay, you know your business more than me. Okay, so we need to work together and find a way to promote your business to reach out the target group. Kasun, are in there? Yeah.
Yes, my line got disconnected and we had a technical issue. Hi.
Go on. Yeah.
Yeah. My name is Kasun Karanasen. I'm into international marketing on behalf of the company and designated as a assistant general manager for international markets. So we do manufacturing both extruded and molded products. We started with the extruded products back in 1980, and later we came to manufacturing molded products such as prop straps, rock container straps, fenders, bumpers, wheels, caster wheels, and like that. We are mainly catering to markets like USA, Canada, UK, France, Finland, Japan, and India. So we do not have any presence in the Gulf region. So that's why we are here. And yes, and when it's come to the marketing part, yes, we do have our own and the outsource to TTL team, which are jointly handled with our advertising, ATL, BTL, and TTL with the agency. So, and we are available in all the B2B platforms. And yes, so far, that's the story of Citra.
So it's pretty much fully planned, structured, I think. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So cool. Thanks a lot, Kasun. We talk more.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Yes.
I think we covered everyone, right? Yeah. Anybody missing? No, I think so. I mean, Sushanta, anybody missing? I think everybody covered. Yeah.
Ilcon will join with us later.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Mr. Peran, I have two or three questions asked from you.
Yes.
The first one is which countries will be participating at the exhibition as exhibitors?
Yeah. Okay. We have from China, from UAE, from India, okay, and Italy at this moment. Okay. So see, we still have 2 more months to go. So there will more exhibitors will be coming in. Okay. It's a let's go on. I'll show you the later on the floor plan and things like that. Okay, so you get a better idea. Okay, let me share the screen. Yeah. Okay. What other question you have?
Yeah, Mr. Peram, I have already prepared the company profile of all exhibitors according under one format. I will share it today. You can arrange the B2B meeting and discussions with buyers, potential buyers, and agent or wholesalers in the Middle East market.
Yeah, sure. Okay, I think that information is required. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, let me continue the conversation. I have some more to share to you. Okay, now we understand each other, who we are, and now expectations and the product line. I have a better idea now.
Yeah.
So I want to summarize this. It's why any exhibition that you want to exhibit, of course, everybody wants a new business, new customers. That is the priority, But it does not happen to all. Maybe some exhibitors get a new business, some get with old clients, So it's all mixed up. Yes. How to utilize the exhibition for the benefit of the company in both short term and long term. One is to look for new clients, new businesses. Second is in getting to know market intelligence. You never get market intelligence by sitting in your factory. Only exhibition. When you talk to the other exhibitors, you talk to your customers, or even the guys that you don't buy, they get who is the competition. This is right first-hand information happens. You get it from the show. Okay. And third point is when you exhibit in overseas exhibitions, you also create a image, a credible exporter. Okay, so that is one of the ways that people say, "Oh, I know this company from this exhibition," means they are serious about exporting. So you create a credibility, when you exhibit in an overseas show. Fourth one I would say is that always in exhibition you need to introduce a new products. You always showcase these are my new products, these are my general products. So introduction of new products is very, very important. That attracts the people to your booth. Okay, of course, always you meet your existing clients, also clients you lost it. There's a place to meet. And other purpose of exhibition should be understanding the global trends, because you don't do business for today. You are in the long run. So any business we do, so you have to get to know what's happening around the world, and exhibition is one source of place that you get all the information. And of course, new opportunities. Currently, you are doing in this line of business. Maybe you can diversify into other segments. Depends on opportunities and also new partners. So when you participate in exhibition, you need to look at all these aspects, not just only the new clients, because business is not about today only, tomorrow. You invest millions or rupiah or whatever it is, that's so much money. You want to look for short-term customers, long-term relationships as well. So when you exhibit in a show, think about all the aspects of it. Getting a new clients, of course, getting to know about market interest. So walk to other booths, talk to the customer, other visitors, more than just your business, and create image that promoting your business, promote yourself as a credible exporter, and highlight new products. This is very important in your booth. Make sure that what are your innovative products, what you develop, because that gives you more visibility to your company. As an organizer, we also can help to promote more. Of course, you make sure that you invite your existing customers or the customers who are lost, maybe for whatever reasons. Hey guys, I'm here, you come and meet us, and getting to know the global trends and new opportunities and partners. So this is the ultimate, how much percent of what, it's up to you how you take it, but don't just stick to the only I want a new customers only. Okay, it's very important to get to know other information as well, because because I've seen exhibitors, some of them only focus I want new customers only, because you have a target for your sales manager or market manager or whatever it is, etc. But look into the holistic approach, how you build a business in the long term. Exhibition is the right venue to collect all this information. And, so I want to say here. This is an exhibition floor plan. Okay. Currently, we're working on selling the booth space. We have quite a few from China and also from Middle East and also from India, for Sri Lanka. And we have other, not only the Tyre, a little bit on the roto molding. We have on the roto molding section also there. So it's a small show. If you compare with other big shows, but sometimes small shows are more efficient, I would say, because every visitors, they able to come to visit every booth and have opportunity to discuss also. But it's more important is that how we promote, how we pre-event promotion, the visibility to the target audience is more important. So this is where we are talking about today. Yeah. This is Sri Lankan Pavilion, how it looks like. Okay, forget about the top banner. We are going to change it. We got details from the Mr. Sushanta. So you have all the, okay, just go back. This is a Sri Lankan Pavilion, by the way. Okay, this is a Sri Lankan Pavilion. You have all 12 booths together. This B1 becomes B1 and C1. So you have 4 corner booths and all in one line. So it's you check with Sushanta, about what's your booth numbers. Once I have the booth numbers, we can help you to promote your booth, your companies through our network as well. This is how it looks like. There is a header of the Sri Lankan Pavilion, Sri Lankan Rubber Pavilion by EDB, and each booth have the structure in the 6 booths in one line, 6 booths in another line. Let me show you what is included. Just a second, I think I missed something here. Yeah, here I go. Okay.
Mr. Peram, how can you get the contractor details for request additional furniture requirements for our exhibitors?
One by one. I'm going to do that. Okay. So now how your booth looks like this. Okay. You have an information counter, okay, and 1 round table, 3 chairs, yeah, and each booth have it. If you use a corner booth, you have only 6 panels, okay. If you have an inline booth, you have 9 panels, yeah. So the chairs, round table, and chairs, okay. This is a table looks like this. This is it's information counter at the same time also lockable cabinet as well. Because you don't want the separate lockable, separate information. We keep it. Information counter itself is the lockable cabinet, so you can put your stuff inside and lock it. It's 1 meter height. You have 2 shelves. You can use it. You can also place your logo on this table as well in the front of even the side as well. You can do it. Okay, these are sizes. I will send this file to you so that you know the measurements about it. Okay, this is the dimensions about the panel. Okay, it's a 246 centimeter, 97 is the width of the panel, and the height is the 246. But you don't need to put graphics all over the place because nobody sees at the bottom. So you always look at what is eye-catching view that you can display your poster. So I do recommend 150 centimeter height and 97 centimeter width poster on each panel. Okay, each panel that you can put the in your booth on the panels. Okay, or you can also have a complete wall also. Okay, complete wall looks like single wall. The size is like 3 meter wide and 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 meter height. So you can make this is a 1 wall, this is another wall. If you have a 3 side, so 1 more wall. So 3 walls you can use it. Okay, so this is the how you need to the booth, how booth looks like. What is the furniture inside? There is a power supply socket is there. You have a table and chair. This is a part of the package that you have, okay, in the booth. Okay, so anything additional you want to order, you need to order separately, and we will let you know how to order as well. Okay. Now these are the things. Okay, what are additional things that you want a TV, you want a sofa set, you want a showcase. You see the showcase here. You want the brochure stand. You extra spotlight. All this can be ordered. Okay, we are going to make order form for you, online order form. Okay, each company who is interested in what you want, you can order and you make a payment, then we deliver to you, to the booth on the day of the setup. Okay, and the TVs also, the TVs is the stand. There's a 50-inch there, there are 42-inch there, so that option is also there. Okay, is another additional furniture. So these are things that you additional requirements that you need. You can order, but I will send you the link probably next week for you all how to order additional furniture equipment that you need. Sushanta, is it clear to you now? I think that's
sure.
Yeah. So there is online form. So each exhibitor, they will get their own login system, and they can order it and they pay for it, and then those will be delivered. Yeah. I recommend one more. I have to tell you one more thing. Order in advance. You save your money. Anything you order on site, it costs you almost the double. Okay. Anything that you do online, on site, it means, oh, I want this one. When you go to the booth, I want the TV, I want the sofa. The contractor will charge you heavily because they need to bring back, and because they prepare the stock as per the order. Maybe some stock extra stuff, but they don't keep so much stock because there's a logistics information. So I do encourage everyone, I give you the deadline when to order it, and then before that deadline you order it so that you save the money. If you order on site, and nobody can help, whatever the price that contractor says, you have to pay it. Okay, because they have to go out and bring it for you if you don't have a stock. So that's why they do that one. Okay, so yeah, any questions here on the booth?
Mr. Peram,
yeah,
I want to find out now. Actually the size per company. Now I am a little confused about, after looking at your photos and all. Per company, what is the space you are?
3 by 3.
9 square meters. 3 by 3.
3 by 3. 3 meters by 3. 3 meters by 3 meters?
Right.
Yes.
3 meters by 3 meters. Yeah.
3 meters. Right. Okay. Now I'm clear.
Yeah.
Now
Mr. Peram, I have one question. How can we get the contractors for the booth designs for our exhibitors?
Oh, okay. That booth, if you want, what else design? They want to build separate or what? Printing. Yes, that's also I'm coming to the next one. Printing also.
Yeah. Okay.
Printing also, we put in our form also, online form. There is a printing order also there that you can just need to send the files to us. I will connect with the contractor. Yeah. Let me explain. Then it comes to the next part of it. Okay. Yeah. Anything else? Anybody else? Any questions? Every booth is a 3 by 3. 3 meter by 3 meter.
Mr. Peram, in the order sheet, will you be mentioning the rates?
Yes. Everything, you online form, you have a rates, and also what is the deadline, what is the early bird deadline, what is the price, all those things will be there. Next week you have that information. Yeah. Anybody else? Can we move on?
And can you send the contact details to the logistic partner for send the samples before participating in the fair, Mr. Peram?
Next week, yes.
Next week, okay.
All these additional information, extra contract information, that additional orders, you get everything by next week. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Peram, I have a small question. I've seen that in the booth, the top part, the company name, that would be displayed by the exhibition, or
we are the one who we put the name. We only put your company name. Okay?
All right.
Yeah, you need to fill the form as per the form, that what name you want to show. We will put it on that.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, can I move on? Anything else?
One more question, Mr. Peram. Now, the carpeting, what color of the carpeting can we know in advance?
Yes, we'll inform you. Mostly the gray color.
Gray color.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you.
Because so that it's even anything stains on you fall down, anything else looks uniformity is but if there is some change, we will inform you. Yeah, but mostly the gray color.
Right. Thank you.
Also, Mr. Peram, is there any electric? Can we have some power cord or like that? Is there available for our?
Every booth has a socket, 5 amp socket. Yeah. Okay. And but the power cord, the extension cord, right? You mean? Are you talking extension cord or power socket? It's power supply.
Power extension, yeah.
Extension. I do encourage you to bring it along with you guys. Yeah.
Perfect.
Of course, we have that one in system. Okay, order it, but it makes no sense to rent that one. Okay, and it's cost, because these guys, I can tell you the TV cost, TV rental, all these are because the rental service. Yeah, with these contractors. Okay, so two things: stapler, power supply, extension cord. I think you can carry along. We can supply. Then they charge it base. Yeah.
Also, is there Wi-Fi for us, or
there is a free Wi-Fi in the exhibition center? Okay, and if you want a dedicated Wi-Fi for you, then there is a chargeable. Yeah.
One follow-up. What's the voltage in Saja, Mr. Peram?
I need double check the number. I will inform you on that one. Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
I think 215 or something. I need to double check because I want to make sure that I tell the correct number. Yeah. So. Yeah. Anything else?
Okay. We move to the other part, no?
Yeah. Let's move on. We discuss other issues. Anytime you find something, something comes in your mind, you just ask me anytime. Yeah. Okay. This is the one I want to tell you, all the exhibitors. Posters are important to display, showcase. Visual display is one thing that I encourage you, whether you rent a TV or showcase your product. Showcase. There is a product showcase is like this. You see this one? Depends on the product. Yeah. Okay. These are called product showcase. You put in the glass door and showcase nicely. Or TV visual display. Sometimes some people don't want to talk. Okay, some of the visitors, I think you've experienced, they want to watch things, they want to read on the posters. So having a TV, having even your computer, use your videos to run it. Okay, if you carry along your notebook and things like try to prepare yourself as many videos to talk about your company, your product line. This is one of the, not just only the brochures, business cards, but visual display is very important to reach out to the target visitors. Okay. Other thing we wanted to talk to you is that how I can promote Sri Lankan rubber companies. So I decided, okay, let's do a 2-hour Sri Lankan rubber symposium. Basically, that you promote here is now Sushanta is going to give me the list of the people, the list of the companies and the profiles. Now these guys are here to talk about their business. So I plan to organize on the 18th June, 2-hour program promoting the Sri Lankan Rubber Symposium. I request all the exhibitors to be part of this one. Give a talk about your company or some specific product line. Make it interesting for the audience to come and sit and listen to the symposium. This is going to be a branding for the Sri Lankan rubber. Even you may produce similar products. Maybe one person talk one thing, other person talk other thing. So all the 12 companies, if it's a 2 hours, 10 minutes, so 12 companies, each 10 minutes, you can make a presentation, and I do encourage you to utilize this one. If you're interested, agree to do this one. What I need is 2 things. One is what do you want to speak about, title for your presentation. Second is that who is going to speak, the person picture, okay, and this designation. So I use this one, promote it. Sri Lankan Rubber Symposium at Middle East Rubber. So there is for me, there is a magnet for the right audience to come to the event. Oh, there is a Sri Lankan rubber group is here. They're talking about there is symposium also. I can listen to what they're doing as well. So I hope that all of you agree with me on this concept. Sri Lanka Rubber Symposium. I will encourage you to participate. If you are going to participate, I want you to. I request you all to send me your confirmation by next week, so that I start promoting it. See, when you promote, if you are a speaker, you promote your company, yourself, and also your product line. So, are you guys okay with to give a talk? How many of you say yes to me?
Maybe.
Yeah, you do that. You can always say, product line, technology, anything that let the people know about your company, and I use this as a platform. I'm hoping, Sushanta, I'm hoping with your support to get everybody on board on this one.
Yeah, sure. This is great efforts to promote Sri Lankan products at the exhibition, Mr. Vera.
Yeah, so I think it's a thing that let them to decide who to speak, and what I need is a title. Okay, you can always say some title like innovative tire flaps from Autoways. Okay, that can be title. Okay, or somebody says zinc oxide. Yeah, let's say new developments on the zinc oxide, and maybe if you have the nanos zinc or whatever the new things happening. So you can come up with a catchy title. See, title is very important, so that they should attract the audience. This is something I want to learn about. So both industry, all the professionals. So it gives you the additional visibility, publicity, branding for your company. So let's make by next Tuesday, all of you to send me the title with the picture and things like that. Can we agree on that?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, Tuesday next week. Yeah.
Mr. Peram, quick question. What's the length of the presentation?
10 minutes, no?
10 minutes. So 12 people, right? So 12 companies, so each 10 minutes, yeah?
Right, thank you.
What is the deadline for send the presentation for all Sri Lankan companies, Mr. Peram?
Only now I need is only title by Tuesday.
Right. Okay.
Presentation, you can bring it on that day, okay?
Okay.
About how much audience you expect for this?
It depends on what topic we do, So audience is based on what is the topic. So let's make a product, and promote this symposium. So let them bring the as much crowd as possible. So the seating capacity is there. If you look at my floor plan, there is a conference room inside a hall. Okay. Let me go back and yeah, there is a conference room here. You see this? Okay. In this conference room, we have this, I had divided this China group. We have divided for a Sri Lankan group, so different slots to promote it. Okay. So it can accommodate 50 to, some people can stand and watch it. It's open theater. It's an open theater. Yeah. So I think this is everybody should utilize this, symposium concept to promote, okay, Sri Lankan rubber by EDB supported, so. Okay, now everybody should start doing one thing. We have created a WhatsApp group. See, you have 12 companies, maybe some of you doing similar products, but we are one community. Okay, so let's scan your WhatsApp please add now into this group, so that any issues, all relevant people about this about exhibition participation, please join the WhatsApp group now.
Only one question can I ask?
Yeah.
This is Dr. Sabaratna from Lanka Rubber.
Yeah.
I met you in this same event at last time at the Saja.
Yeah.
I visited the exhibition.
Yeah.
I was there for the 2 days.
Yeah.
And my experience was a very, very little participants from the crowd. Is that improved this time?
So I would say, we are working on the better version of it. Okay.
So because I was there for two whole days, and you remember I met you there at in the exhibition.
With your son also, right? You come
with my son. Yeah.
Oh, got it.
So the participants are very, very, very little. So that next to that exhibition hall, there was a big exhibition. So all the crowd was there. So if we participate and we exhibit our products there, the participants are poor. Will it be improved this time?
Definitely, we're working on it. Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely, more promotion, more for us, also more experience there. Okay. And so definitely better than the last time. That's I can guarantee that. Okay. And also more exhibitors also there compared to last time for us. Yeah. See, we are in the process of building. As in the beginning itself, it's a small show, but it is a growing. Okay. And the quality visitors are the ones we are aiming for it. Okay. And we are working on to promote it. That's why we are engaging in this conversation. Yeah. If I ask me the last year, did I do this one? No, I did not do this with exhibitors like this. This time I want to work with exhibitors to bring the right crowd to the show. Yeah. I'm working on it. Okay. We do our best for it. But I need, we need to work together on this one.
Mr. Peram, again, Ranil, sorry to disturb you. I think I'm in line with them. Sabaratnam, yes, the same. I think I got that kind of feedback. So, we also under pressure from the stakeholders. So I think I'm totally agree with the points you have raised as be part of the exhibitors, what we have to do. But same time, just focus on bringing up more potential set of people, because I think the second or third day afternoon they have a kind of very less crowd was there, but it was a genuine feedback. So this is not anything criticized. So I think that's one of the key areas. I think as organizers, you all need to be focused on that.
Sure, that's so that see, I'm aware of all the problems involved with organizing event, and challenge is always there. The thing is that this time that there's more publicity, more visibility is there, and secondly is that I want to understand more requirements of each exhibitor better, and so that I can promote it better. Okay, and the crowd. See, there is no first day more crowd, second day less crowd. This is a part and parcel of the exhibition business. So you never have consistency on the which time the more people, which time less people. It's about their convenience. Yeah, but my point is how can attract the right audience to the exhibition, because I need to sell the exhibitor profiles. Okay, first we say Middle East Rubber and Tyre Expo. Okay, what are the things that we showcase here, and how can you promote each individual exhibitor? I think this time we're putting more effort. I'm really hoping for the better version of the last time. Okay, but I need the support as well. Okay, so let's put that way. Yeah. I understand the doubts. I understand the concerns about, okay, that last show was less people, and it's a growing business, growing market, and we're also building our the show step by step. At the same time, we also want to engage with the exhibitors to promote them so that the right crowd comes to the show. Yeah. I'm working on it. Okay, I understand your concern. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, everybody, please add. I need to see how many people add this WhatsApp group. So far, 15 people, 12 people. So please do also ask your team members who will be there. I want everybody to part so that all concerned issues I want to address. Okay. I'm not running away from my problems. I'm a person that take it a challenge and make sure that everybody benefit from the show. And yeah, so please invite all your team members. Any comments, suggestions, I welcome it. Okay, it's always work together is things only that can make a difference to us. So yeah, that's what I want to say.
And Mr. Peran, you have to give more publicity through the association, countries, and trade relation institutions to visit the exhibitions, because we are using public money from our side.
Yes, we also same format, the way we invited associations, local association, international association, all been invited. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they ask who are the exhibitors now working at the exhibitors. Okay, so what activities are there, why they have to come there. Okay, so we are trying to put in every effort possible from our end in the connecting with the association, connecting the government organizations, all the contractors involved, all the stakeholders involved. So I only can promise my best efforts. Okay, that's what I can do. Yeah. Nothing. If there is something I cannot do, beyond my capability at this moment, maybe that's all I can improve next time. But right now, I put 100% effort and make this event as useful as possible to every exhibitors, every visitor. That's why visitors also will complain. There's not what I wanted. Okay, so there is a requirement from the visitor point of view and also the exhibitor point of view. But my promise is I do my best. My promise is I put 100% effort for you. Okay. At the same time, I'm expecting support from you as well to make this show useful to your business.
In addition, Mr. Peram, I will inform the Sri Lankan mission in the Middle East market. I think 7 or 8 missions in Middle East market. I will write to the Sri Lankan this Middle East Rubber Expo to invite the buyers, trade association, and other business partners to visit Sri Lankan Pavilion. It's better.
Yeah. And also you can just tell about Sri Lankan Rubber Symposium also. Yeah. So that activity.
Yeah, definitely I will inform them.
Yeah. So okay, let's move on. Yeah. So now it actually is talking about the pre-event publicity practices. Okay, and what are the files that you need to prepare for me? Okay, how can we promote you? These are the things I needed. One is a company logo. Second is a company brochure if you have a PDF. Third is the company advertisements. You have 5 different advertisements, full page advertisements. Please send me. If you have a company video, MP4 format, and also 100 words company profile. And if you have a PowerPoint file, prepare 10 slides PowerPoint file. So are you able to provide me all these files? Because you've asked me, how can I bring the audience to the show? I need this information. I cannot just only blast the Middle East Rubber Tyre and Expo. That's not about that. It's about what is the content of the show, who are there, what they do, how can we benefit. So I need this information from every exhibitor, and I use this information to publicize everyone so that you get visibility for your business and potential customers at the show. Even before the show happens, you may get right contacts. People may from other parts of the world, because we use this in our rubber networks globally. So you may have outside Middle East also you have an opportunity. So everyone, I do request to send me this file by next week if you have. Whatever you have, you send me first. Whatever you don't have now, you can send me later. Okay, but I think you can send me by Wednesday all these information. Can we?
Quick question now. The video, how long or how big can it be?
Does not matter. Okay, you have 1 minute or 2 minutes, you have 5 minutes. So it's up to you. Whatever you provide my user. If you have more than one, you can send me. You have 1 minute, you can send me. You can have 10 minutes, you can send me. Yeah.
Great, thank you.
Yeah.
Mr. Peram, all information will be sent direct to you.
Yes, you can send to my email address. Yeah. So
right.
You can put in the WhatsApp group. I can take it from WhatsApp group. Yeah, whichever the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So let's make it. If you support this information, I can help more. Yeah. See, my best efforts only based on what I get, what kind of information I can gain from you to utilize it to publicize your business. Yeah. By the way, this time there is no other show, only our show only. Yeah, during that period. Last time you have a steel fab, that's a big show, but this time it's a solo. Only whoever come to the show is our audience only, our target only. Okay. Yeah. Second, start making your reels. one that, you can always say, hey, come and visit our booth, selfie video with staff, or introducing a product. You make it 1 minute, 2 minute, vertical videos and send to me. Okay. If you don't have I think some of you already have a digital team, digital marketing team, how to make videos. The owner can make a invitation message to the potential customers, or marketing manager, or whoever is willing to talk about their company and the products. Once your booth number is set, you can always say, hey, welcome you all to Middle East Rubber and Tyre Expo. We are exhibiting at our at our booth number B2. Please come and visit us. We are specialized in tire flaps and retreading tires. And if you need more information, check our website, and like that, you make a message and keep changing. Today, on the MD make it, tomorrow maybe somebody else, some of the lady staff or whoever is willing to speak, make it. It's going to be a branding exercise. Sometimes you can talk about a product. Sometimes you can just talk about the visiting the booth. Yeah. Okay. So, is everybody agree with this? Making a short reels. This is very important. Yeah. Sushanta, what do you think about? Yeah, guys, traditional marketing is not only enough.
Yeah.
It's also, we need to work on the new version, new way of publicizing the business. Yeah. So please join. If you have, send me those files. I will publicize through my network, and you can also publicize through your network. I think utilize that. We are going to be at Middle East Rubber and Tyre Expo. Please come and visit us, because that message you have to, not only me, but you have to give as well. Okay, so I can send you some samples of it, how to say, or I can send you the text. You just read, use a script to, to record, do the selfie record, and then send to me. Okay with you guys?
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is very important, useful. Yeah. Email newsletter. I'm hoping that everybody, you have their own company email newsletter. Do you have? Do you sell, send a newsletter to all your customers? Hey, this is a annual newsletter, a monthly newsletter, update your customers, what's happening. If you don't have it, start now. Keep all the email data, okay, and and make your own newsletter. Suppose you don't know, you don't have a team or thing, okay, we can make for you a newsletter and we can send for you. What you need to do is you need to send me the list of emails that you want to send. We have a system. We can upload those emails and send on your behalf. That's option there. We also have a rubber industry newsletter. So all exhibitors, I will give you one template. You need to make a standard, email content. We have like close to 10,000 subscribers to our newsletter. We will send to all the, members through our rubber industry newsletter. So this is something that everybody has to work on it. Email newsletter. If you have your own company newsletter, please do so. Or if you don't have it, if you need help from Technobase, we can help you. Only thing you need is the content and the list of the emails that you want me to send to. And also, we have our own newsletter. I will send one time for each. We have 12 companies. I will send 12 emails at different times. Focus on that particular company. That in that newsletter, we talk about products, markets, message from the CEO or top management. I make it a nice newsletter and send to all my members. So that will give you the publicity through your company, and I welcome them. They come and visit you, at your booth during the show period. Yeah. Any comments on this one? Anybody? Any comments, suggestions? Do you have your own newsletter? Say yes or no. Anybody? Everybody has a newsletter, company newsletter, e-newsletter, email newsletter. May I assume that nobody has? Is it right?
Yeah, at the moment we don't have any company newsletters.
I think that's an issue. Do you need help to Technobiz send a newsletter to your customers?
Yes.
Okay, then then you need to prepare the your target list, whatever the list you have, you share to us, and also the content we can help you. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So this will give you the publicity, yeah, to your company. Okay. If you don't have a technical team to do this work, what you need to do is that we can help you with how to write a content, and also that how to send. We have a system, email, sending system there. We can send to the email. So you need to just the name of the person, email address, and then what is general content that you wanted to share to them. And then we use the same content to my newsletter also. Rubber industry newsletter as well. Yeah, that will be received by close to 10,000 plus people, all over the world. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. If you have any questions, you can always discuss with me later. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're going to have a rubber review magazine. Okay. So every exhibitor has an opportunity to put a cover story on your company. Okay. Like this. Yeah. Mr. Silva picture I can put on the cover page like this. Okay. And send to we're expecting to subscribers close to 20,000 plus, because this magazine is jointly published by Technobiz and the Rubber World magazine. Rubber World is one of the famous rubber magazine in the world in the US. So we jointly are putting together starting from the May. So every issue have one cover story, but I'm not sure whether I can put everybody in before the show, but maybe some after the show. Depends on the how it's my sequence. But we will provide an opportunity for all the exhibitors who want to utilize this cover story. Cover story is basically it's interview. I will send you the list of the questions. You answer the question and send me that answers so that I put in my in our magazine, and your picture will be on the cover page. Yeah. And also, as I mentioned to you in the beginning, that we provide you 2 months advertisement package. So each issue we will put your company advertisement. So everybody should prepare A4 size advertisement. A4 size. Okay, one advertisement. Send to me. We will start putting from May 6th onwards. Yeah. Is there any questions on this point here? Is it clear for you how to utilize the Rubber Review magazine?
Mr. Benham, what exactly do you need from our end? A full size photo, is it?
Well, one full, the cover page, right?
Yes.
Yes, one full page, one high quality, headshot picture like this. Yeah. And then I will send you them probably around 10 questions that you need to answer the questions. It's interview. Okay. Once you submit that questions and we review it, so submit your answers, then we review it and we will put it in one of the issues in this year. Yeah. But I cannot guarantee that whether we do it before the show or it can be after the show also, one of the issues. So this is one of the benefit that as an exhibitor, you have the publicity for you and your company. Yeah. Because the questions are focused on your product, your company, and your vision, markets, etc., etc. Yeah. And this is only for the exhibitors. So if non-exhibitor, they have to pay for this service. Yeah. Okay. Is anybody want to use this service? Can you send a message to me WhatsApp now? How many people I want to see? Anybody interested in this one? Are you interested in the cover story? If you say yes, please answer yes in my WhatsApp group. There is no cost, by the way. It's all complimentary for the exhibitors. Yeah. I got 3 yes now so far. Yeah. Good. Okay, I will send you the guidelines for you that Danika, Mr. Silva, Mr. Cherit, Shilpa, all of you guys confirmed so far now. So, but anyway, if you are just in the future, you can contact me. But right now, I can provide you the list of the questions that you can utilize for the cover story. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on. Technobiz business talk. We have actually this one I plan to do this one face to face early this month, but due to the time not possible. We have a one-to-one interview session, talk about the business. Like this, we connect by online, either Zoom or go to webinar, and I will host a podcast. Okay, who is interested in the podcast? Say yes to me now. Podcast. Podcast is basically again similar to the interview, but this is video, so you can express your opinions about your business, your vision, plans. It's another way of reaching out to the promoting your business as well. How many of you interested in the podcast? It's online like this. We connect by online, by Zoom, or by if you're interested, make sure you have a good connectivity. Yeah, if you have poor connectivity, the recording will be bad. So the podcast get recorded and we share it into the Technobiz network. So it is another publicity for you. Okay, another publicity for you to reach the target, branding the company, publicizing your vision, let the world know about your company. So all kinds of things happen this activity. So we can schedule as mutual convenient time. Okay. But only thing is that good connectivity. Yeah? Very, very important is good connectivity. And I can give you the lists. It's similar to the interview for the cover story, but it's here we record it, there we print, we type it. Okay, so the different thing. Yeah. Okay. That's about the. Now we talk about digital invitation card. Everybody gets digital invitation card. Okay, like this. I'm going to make a digital invitation card where you invite your use this card to share them across your network, and basically you put your company name. I'll prepare the JPEG format of the this invitation card and with the booth number. Okay, Mrs. Srishanta, when we expect the booth number to be finalized?
Before first week of May, I will say.
Okay. So because that is required, because we invite the people to come and visit your booth or the booth location, and visitor pre-registration, people can register, and anybody interested, they can scan this QR code and register, and they get the badge at the show. Yeah. But how to utilize this digital invitation card? Okay. Because sometimes now somebody asked me, Peram, last time visitors less, or the crowd is less, and this and that, because the engagement is very important, because the more I promote you, the better visitors I get, you benefit. So digital invitation card is that you can promote through the social media platforms. I think all of you are involved with the LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram. If you have an official account of your company, post this invitation card. Hey guys, this JPEG file, you can send it. And also engage with every staff member, your sales, your purchasing, or any management people, that ask them to share to their network. Because the more people share it, people know that you are exhibiting in the country, and one share to other, click like. This is a ripple effect. Social media marketing is something that it's not like a magazine advertisement. It's a different format advertising. You really need to utilize this digital format. Okay, and so you engage your staff, whoever is active member in your team. Hey guys, this is our company invitation card. Let's share to our network. Let's share to our client. Let's share to the whoever Okay. And if you're in a WhatsApp group, share in the WhatsApp group. If you have friends, you share it. And everybody when you send out email to the customer or any supplier, anybody, put the email footer, this card at the bottom after signature. You say the regards by Shilpa, managing director, company name. Below that signature, you put the this invitation card so that people know that you're participating. And also you can put on the banner on the website also. If you have a pop-up banner or something that you can showcase, and the more people know that you are going to be there, they will come to you. Okay, it's all publicizing your participation at the event, and you use this event to promote yourself. I'm going to be at Sharjah. I will be showcasing this product, and our booth number is this. Come and visit us. And so publicity is required. We promote our end from our network. You promote among your network also. This give you the double impact and help your company to get the right contacts, right publicity. Yeah. So this is about the digital invitation card. Any comments, any suggestions here? Okay, do you agree with me in promoting the invitation card? Who want to be participate in this one? Send me yes. Digital invitation card. We can help you with the different designs also. Yeah, we can. My graphic team can help you with the nice designs as well. Okay, it's all about how you engage with us. Okay, so if you are in digital invitation cards, I will send you the card. I know I can keep changing it every week or every month, the different designs, different colors. So my team can support on that one. You can utilize it. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. So then any comments, suggestions here?
I'd like to know from Mrs. Susanta also, whether we have written to Sri Lankan embassies in the UAE regarding this matter and any invitations.
Yes, sure. I'll do that.
Any comments, any suggestions, anything else? Okay, now we talk about, a lot of services, a lot of activities that we need to do. Think about how you brand your company. 3 ways. Pre-event marketing, the ways, all the things we do. On-site marketing. On-site marketing, how do you do it? On-site marketing means when some guests come to your booth. Okay, if suppose some VIP customer or any there's nothing called only VIP, but you can also take pictures with So try to take as many pictures as possible with your customers and post those pictures, to the social media platform. Guys, thank you for a visit, and so it will give you the more visibility. We also do, during the show days, we will promote it. That we are, this exhibition, this exhibitor, what are the pictures we take, we'll post in our social media platform so that more people know about it. And so you also could do on-site, taking picture with their customers. And also the post-event, you can utilize this participation post-event as well, that after the show finished, you can post the pictures in the social media and thanking the, whoever visited you, thanking them for visit, So this is a branding exercise. How many customers you get during the show is another thing, but how you utilize this participation to brand your company in the global scale. So think about 3 ways: pre-event marketing, on-site marketing, and post-event marketing. All the visuals that you get, okay, products, pictures, videos, all these things that you can utilize to promote yourself. Okay, branding again. When you design your graphics for your booth, make sure your logo is dominant in one place. When I take a picture at your booth, the logo should come in my picture. So because if you send me the picture to me, oh, this is a company, Samsung Compounds. Oh, people should know this is Samsung Compound. People see your company name. So please make sure when you design your graphics, center of the booth have a big space for the logo. Okay, and so when you stand in front of your booth and take a pictures and make sure that that logo comes into your picture, and I think it really helps in visibility. That is additional visibility for your branding exercise. Okay, we are come almost to the end. Important from your side, from my side, develop and execute marketing program to promote your participation. So try to have your own marketing program. You may depend on organizer, you may depend on the embassy, you may depend on association, but you need to put your own marketing program that you are participating in the show. Okay, and build a database. You need to build your database, such database. Who is my target clients? Invite them. We invite too. Okay, because we are for every exhibitor, so we have our own database. We keep marketing ourselves, but you also have to have your own database, target clients in Middle East region or even any region that you tell them that you are going to be there and come and visit. And please make pre-appointments with the clients. Okay, the more pre-appointments you make in advance, it's beneficial to your business. You get quick results. Okay, not just only looking at window shoppers. Okay, window shoppers is not right. Pre-appointment. So target your clients. And also the close association with the trade officers at embassies in Middle East region, because if you reach out to Sri Lankan embassy, because you're Sri Lankan, they do have a support, definitely, like Mr. Susanda is going to do that for you all and supporting that one. We reach not just only Sri Lankan association, we reach every association, every embassy in UAE and Middle East region. They come and invite your local companies to come and visit our show. We do that one for everyone. Yeah. And most importantly, that you also can speak in the conference program, so that will give you the additional benefit. These things, if you do it, you successful. If you're successful, I'm successful. As simple as that. So I need your help. I need engagement. Okay, all the comments that in the past, this is how we make ourselves better for doing this show is more engagement of our exhibitors, more engaged with associations, more engaged with so all stakeholders we want to engage by having the right content in the show, so that the right people come to the show. So this is the important aspect of it. So that's what I want to share so far. And now I'm open to any questions that you have. Yeah. Any other questions, other points you have? Yeah.
Yes, any. I have plans. We both of us have plans to use the 4th day to visit some Dubai pre-trading companies, about 2 or 3 companies. Either Sharjah or Dubai. Is there any possibility for us to?
Yeah, I think that has to be individual basis. Yeah, but I cannot promise because I have to respond for many things at the show. Okay, and that's maybe Shanta.
Mr. Silva, I will inform to the Sri Lankan mission in Dubai. Mr. Alexi, he will arrange that. You have to send the request. I will arrange that, because already they have arranged the meeting with the Sharjah Chamber of Commerce on 17th of June for Sri Lankan companies.
All right. So I'll send the request letter to you.
Yeah. Send to me, and I will inform to the Sri Lankan mission, and they will arrange definitely.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Peran, can you send the recording of these sessions today, because I can share with Sri Lankan exhibitors?
Yes, sure. This is it recorded. Yes, of course. Yeah. I hope it is recorded properly. Okay, so let's see.
Yeah. Please raise your issues and clarification regarding the exhibition to Mr. Peram.
Also, Ms. Susanta and Mr. Peram, how's the dates are going? That 15, 16, 17, 18. What are the schedules that you have?
We have to according to our travel itinerary, we have to travel on 15th of June to the Dubai, and 16th of June construction of your stalls, and start to the,
16th. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
16th and 17th start the exhibition, and 19th close the exhibition, and I come back to the Sri Lanka on 20th morning, because you can stay there and you can visit the factories, you can meet the buyers, you can meet the friends and other things. You can free.
The show times are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on the first 2 days. Okay.
10 a.m. to
6 p.m. First 2 days. On the last day, by 4 p.m. we close it.
Okay.
19th, yeah. And setup will be on the 16th.
16th, yeah.
16th, your booth, because we make it ready by 2 p.m. After 2 p.m. you can come and set up the booth.
Yeah. We have travel on 15th.
Yeah. So 16th afternoon onwards, you can set up your booth.
Yeah.
Yes, excuse me, one question, Mr. Pera.
Yeah.
So as we know that Sharjah is somewhat very religious this religious city, is there anything we need to consider when we are developing this branding stuff, especially for Sharjah?
No, that's the only the food issue. I think it's a good city. There is nothing that you need special care is required. The only thing is alcohol is not there. That's it. Rest is same.
I mean the branding. So with the usage of ladies' figures in the branding, will that be an issue? Something like that.
No. There is nothing there. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Sharjah welcomes in foreigners. Yeah. So only thing is that there are certain rules that you follow. Yeah.
Mr. Peran, I have one question. We have to travel from Sri Lanka to the Sharjah or Dubai, because
it depends. Whether you if you plan Sharjah to Dubai to Sharjah, Dubai airport to Sharjah is 20 minutes drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
But problem is that taxi charges is very high from Dubai to the Sharjah, no?
Yeah, maybe because of the crossing. That's probably one. Little. Yeah. But if you look at the timing of your airline, okay, and the air ticket of the Sharjah, it's all economics. Yeah. You won't be a taxi in that difference, maybe 10-15% difference. Yeah. I think the important thing is that your timings, airline timings, and the second is that airline ticket cost. Okay. Whether you fly into Dubai or whether you fly into Sharjah is the same thing. Okay? It's not that they will charge you like $100 extra, nothing there. I think it's my experience is close to under 60s, 30 to 40 at something dollars, depends on the time. Yeah. From the because I stayed in Sharjah only, $50 to $60. Yeah.
And Mr. Peram, can you send the list of contractors for designers of graphic designers for Sri Lankan exhibitor for Sri Lankan companies?
With designers, they provide a printer. You had provided graphics, yeah.
Yeah.
So that will be online booking for that one. Okay. All the posters or whatever is designed. Okay, and we have a official contractor. He will take care of it.
Yeah. Sure.
So once we send them the artworks, they will print it as well as they will fix it on the booth.
Yes, they handle completely. Yes.
And even the light fittings, if we need extra lights, then they will fix it.
Everything, that's why order through us, so we'll make it ready. Yeah.
And also one more thing. So we have our samples. We have a customer in Dubai, so he can supply sample tires. Yeah. And for us to bring it to the exhibition center, is there any special procedures, or just we can bring it to the center?
Yeah, first of all, you need to get a badge. Yeah, you have an exhibitor badge, right? And if your supplier is anybody who can bring anything to the hall is the exhibitor. Okay, so I'm going to send online form to fill the badges. Who is going to be at your booth? Okay, and the visitors cannot carry the samples into the hall. Okay, only the exhibitor. So you may need to register your supplier, whoever is a distributor. Okay, their names into there as an exhibitor, and they can bring it to the inside. Yeah.
If we are going to be there when they bring the tires, then it won't be a problem.
Anybody can go inside the hall. They have to have a badge. And we can give a temporary badge for that person if you're escorting him, okay, to the booth, okay. So we can give you the temporary badge. See, it's because of the security of every booth and every I don't know what kind of things they put in each booth. So we don't want unauthorized non-signed person to go inside the hall. Yeah. So everybody has to register. Yeah. And if you are suppose let's say as soon as you are going to take care of this by yourself, you ask for this temporary badge, and then you walk to take the guy along with you and put this tire there and let him walk back again. Okay, that's it.
All right.
Yeah, Mr. What if he has to send them by a courier, like UPS or FedEx?
See, the thing is, we can give you the address, yeah, to the venue, okay. But that you can always ask the UPS guys, the courier guys, delivery on the 16th when you are there. You understand what I mean?
Okay.
So that you inform them, all the custom duties your responsibility. Yeah, okay. You can deliver to that the venue address. Okay, I'll give you how to what address to send to. But in your agreement with that courier, that deliver on the 16th afternoon. By the time you'll be there, and you can always ask the FedEx or courier UPS wait for you until you come to pick up that package, courier shipment. Yeah, because the venue is not responsible for the picking up your shipment. Okay, but you can send. But when you are there, you can come and pick it up. You got my point, right? Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Bill.
Also, Mr. Perum, can we bring our own printed banners to there? Or?
Oh yes, you can you can carry along all your things. Yeah.
You have to get the dimension of the panel, no?
That's I already mentioned. I will send in the file 97.
Yeah.
That's one. Yeah.
Okay.
You can print. Maybe it's expensive in Dubai. It may cheaper in Sri Lanka. You can carry along. Okay, or you already have a standees. That you've been using it. You can carry along. It's up to you.
And after the exhibition, Mr. Perum, when we are taking back the tires, do we need to get a special permission for that also? Do we have to get a...
Yes, we will give you the one form, and we call exit forms. Okay, and you need to fill that form what you're taking out. Yeah, so there is a signature. We give we circulate that form on the last day. Yeah, so that before that the security of the venue security will take that copies from you. Let's
Mr.
take
Madam, can you share the presentation to the group as well?
Yeah, yes. The one I sent yesterday, right? Yeah, sure. Can you take? Can you open? Everybody can take one. Open the camera so that we can take a group picture. In this online. Sushanta, are you able to take it?
Yeah. Okay.
Take all the. At least it looks like a one community together. I know, guys. I'm not. I hope everybody know each other, right? You guys know each other. Most of you know each other, I guess. Yeah. Some. Okay. If not, you should know each other before you go there. Right? Okay. And also, you should support each other business as well. Huh? Okay. Because if you know some contacts that helps other company business, please do so. Yeah. Sushanta, are you able to take one? Did you take a screenshot, Sushanta?
Yeah.
Okay. Indira, you open the camera, please. I think. Yeah. And also Rajit. Yeah. Rajita.
Rajita.
Are you happy with this presentation, this conversation today? Is it helpful?
Definitely, yes. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it gives you some ideas, how to market or how I'm doing, what I'm trying to help, how can I assist, Yeah, I'm hoping, but feel free to, suggest me. I'm a continuous improve, try to improve as much as possible. Yeah, so I'm open to, criticism. I'm also open to the suggestions. Yeah. So,
Mr. Piram, quick question. Now, the printer material that we are pasting on the booth, can we leave them behind just as it is, or do we have to, is there a cleaning fee associated with it?
no, we will ask our contractor to take it out. Yeah.
Right. Thank you.
We keep it not too complicated. Okay, but don't throw garbage into booth much. Yeah? Okay, they can take in. We will manage it. Yeah.
Right. Thank you.
Srishant, you want to take right?
Yeah, wait a moment, Mr. Pera.
Okay.
Are you having a dedication meeting, Sushanta? Before we leave?
Oh.
Done. Okay, I guess it's time to go for lunch, I guess, right? Yeah. Yeah, I guess some of you anybody take the this screenshot. I cannot. My hand is touching that one. Okay, please take a screenshot of this group together. It looks good. Yeah.
Okay, finish that, Mr. Pera.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. So let's say bye-bye to each other now. Is okay? Anything, any additional points that you have raised, you can always come to me by WhatsApp, WhatsApp in group. Huh? Yeah. Okay, start working on all the things that we discussed. Okay. And so we can start promoting you individually. Okay. And also I will
and all exhibitors, we have to send you files to the Mr. Peram directly next week, so he can promote your product and your company.
Yeah. Sushant, any other points you want to add? We can wrap it up now.
Not yet, Mr. Peram.
Okay. Okay.
Do you have any question from our participants?
Sushanta, now our package is 30 kilos now.
Yeah.
Where we go. So since it is an export thing, which will benefit the country. So whether we could increase to 35 or whatever it is to bring our samples, is there any regulation that we could handle that? I don't know.
Yeah. Next Monday or Tuesday, I will arrange a meeting with all exhibitors to discuss further regarding your all issues internally, Mr.
Okay. Right.
You can also think about if there is common all shipments together one shipment so that to share the save the cost as well, or that also can be possible, right? So some of the exhibitors, some of the pavilions, what they do is that they don't send shipment individually, okay, and they put together excess things that together and send as one shipment. Yeah. So okay, guys. I had
one more question. Who are the exhibitors for this that you told that Sri Lanka, India has?
We will be releasing the list in 1 month before the show. Okay, and currently we're working on booking the booths now. So there are quite a number of from China is there, from some India is there, some Italy is there. Okay, so we are working on getting the booth bookings. Yeah. I'll update you. All get all the information beforehand also. Yeah. Okay, guys. I had to say bye bye now. Thank you all.
Mr. Peram, Mr. Veram, on behalf of PDP, thank you very much once again for your cooperation,
කොහොමත්
assistance,
එයා
even
කාගෝ ගෙනියන්න
us to promote Sri
පුළුවන්
Lankan
ඇති.
products during our
අපි ඒක
exhibition.
පොඩ්ඩක්
And
අහන්න ඕනේ මේ
thank you
වැන්නේ.
very much for all participants
Airline.
today meeting. Thank you once again.
අපේ
Thanks.
MS
Thank you very much.
Thank you.